In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type meter square M2 in Microsoft PowerPoint. This symbol shows up all the time in math, science, engineering, and real estate slides, and there are a few simple ways to create it quickly and consistently. I'll walk you through each option so you can pick the one that fits your workflow best. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint and navigating to the slide where you want the meter square symbol to appear. Click inside an existing text box or insert a new one if you need one, so your cursor is ready in the exact spot where you want to type M2. The first method uses superscript formatting from the ribbon. Type the letter M followed by the number 2, so you see M2 on the slide. Highlight only the 2. Now go to the Home tab, and in the font group, click the superscript button. It looks like a small X with a raised 2. The 2 will lift and shrink slightly, transforming M2 into M2. This is ideal for normal text and titles alike. Remember that superscript is a toggle, so if your next characters look raised, click the button again to return to normal formatting. Selecting just the 2 before toggling helps you avoid affecting the rest of your text. The second method uses a keyboard shortcut, which is great when you want to move fast. Again, type M2 and highlight the 2. On your keyboard, press Ctrl, Shift, and the plus key at the same time. You'll get the same result instantly, M2. This shortcut